All right, welcome back, traders. Mr. Dodadal here. We're going to cover top 3 altcoins that I think have some great potential here in the rest of this cycle. Make sure you guys stay tuned throughout this entire video. Hopefully I earn your guys' like and your subscribe. Make sure you guys always tick the notification bell when subscribing to the channel. And we'll take you guys through the charts here in just one moment. Stay tuned. All right, so the first asset we're going to cover here is Solana. We all know Solana went on a major rally so far this cycle, but as you guys can see, what it's doing is it's ranging between 250s and $90 down here. It's in a nice trading range. We got a nice bounce off this low. I suspect that it's actually going to probably hold somewhere in this vicinity. We might even get this a little bit of a pull back down to like this trading range. That's about 120% move out of here. So that puts, Solana probably somewhere in the $550 to $600 region. It might go further than that, but just based off this trading range, that's kind of what I could see if we do break above the trading range. Solana, one of the quicker blockchains, had quite a run up in the early part of this cycle. And so I think you're going to see a lot of the same things. The tokens that performed without us being in a real alt season are probably the ones that are going to continue performing, right? So this is definitely one you want to keep your eye on. Another asset here that I really like is Maker. They are a massive DAO, and they have some of the best tech for DeFi, and I think that this is something that this market is still keeping undervalued right now. Typically, Maker usually trades about a 1-to-1 ratio with ETH, and ETH right now sitting around 2,500. You already have a nice catch-up trade right here just on that. And you guys can see that we're forming a nice bullish pennant here, and what could end up happening is something like a higher low comes in and we start to round out and eventually we break out of here. And I do think that when we do get this breakout, it could be, sometime in June or July, but you're looking at like a 1,200% measured move. It doesn't mean it's going to do the whole measured move, guys. It never always does. It usually does about half the move. So, we're looking probably somewhere around $10,000, $11,000 Maker if that actually breaks out and does what I think it's going to do. So I think Maker is a great play. It's a limited supply. They're rebranding themselves. I think, Maker is a quality ETH asset. It's been in a long-term, I would say, uptrend, right? You can see the lows. I'm just making higher lows throughout the cycle. This is the COVID low, and I think Maker is a great play. We're going to look at a meme coin here. I'm just kind of looking at a bigger cap that's been around. Floki also a very nice demand line being respected. Nice bounce off this range low. Massive ascending triangle. We are in a meme season, meme cycle, if you will. This is probably presenting about maybe a 10x to this major fib extension. And we could do something like this where we get a retest and make another higher low here before we start to really go. This may not actually go until Q4. We could get a rally up to this region here, during the summertime. But that's why you kind of want to look at like high time frames, like your weekly momentum here is still poised, and really like the 2-week chart is what I'm really looking at here. You got 2-week bullish divergence with your wave trend clipping long here. Last time you clipped long down here was back here in October of 23. And then you got this major leg up, from here to here for the top of the range. So you made a higher low, but you're making lower levels on the wave trend. So that means it's like a big slingshot. Okay. And so that's why we could see, this 1272 get tagged later on. Make sure you guys smash the like button if you guys haven't done so already. Hopefully I earned your guys subscribe. Make sure you guys take the notification bell. And remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm just looking at some charts. And, if these markets continue to be in a bullish environment, these patterns could play out and they could be very profitable. So make sure you guys always do your own research. There's obviously plenty of other altcoins out there. I'm just trying to give you guys just some assets that probably not a lot of people are covering, like Floki and Maker. Solana, of course, lots of people are covering that. It's a major asset at this point. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the content.
Hey everyone, you've landed on the Swing Trade Pros website here. My name is Mr. Know-It-All. I've been an active swing trader for over 7 years. I want to welcome you guys all to the community here. My goal is to change 1 million people's lives with swing trading and trading profitably. This is a skill set you can learn here with the service. You go check out the testimonials in Discord. You can see lots of folks talking about the service and how the trade calls are super profitable. You can check Profit Gains channel. I think we've amassed around $150,000 worth of profits in the last year posted in the Profit Gains channel just from other users and traders in the community. I'd like all of you guys to check out the 14-day free trial. A coupon code will be pinned in the comment section below this video, so check it out. And we'll take you through 14-day free trial process here. You come down to the website, save 44%, and claim your 14-day free trial. Click on that. And that will take you to the Swing Trade Pros website where you can click sign up now. And after your 14-day free trial is up, on the 15th day, you will get billed, full disclosure of that. And I appreciate you guys all joining the community. It will change your lives. Give it a chance. A lot of these swing trades can take months. One of our biggest trades of the year last year was INJ. We took an entry at $1.60, and well, that asset's trading over $35 today. So that was one of the banger trades that I pointed out. My strongest pattern that I trade that I'm known for is the falling wedge. I call it the falling node wedge pattern. Lots of divergence on these charts, and that's what makes these patterns really play out. And you guys are going to be able to really learn that in the service, and I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the charts.